We have rounded a corner in our research. We found that the brain's cleaning system that we've been studying in mice also exists in large mammals with a brain very similar to our brain.
So mouse brains have a smooth surface. In contrast, human brains contain deep folds and thus are substantially different from mouse brains. This is why we wanted to carry out studies in pigs which have these deep folds that are similar to human brains. And what we found is that these folds act as highways for the cleaning fluid. Now that we have shown that this system persists in pig brains, we are more confident that it also exists in humans and should be further studied.
The other good news is that the cleaning system is far more active in the folded brain than in the smooth mouse brains. And this encourages us that we can use this system to develop treatments for neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease.